This is Liv.
You probably know us from the former vlogs. Insert a picture of Claire.
1066.
Hey guys, it's Weenie back with another vlog. We're just finishing Six Flags. We're on our way home.
It's like
Golden hour, right? Wait, coast.
It is golden hour.
Yeah, we went on a really big drop slide. Insert video here.
it hurt a lot.
Like a lot. Do me and Weenie look the same skin color? Comment below. Wait.
Liv's tan right now, so
How do I
yeah.
get out? That way?
We just know we don't speed anymore. We got in a traumatic accident.
Oh yeah. Hi, mukbang time or mukbang.
It's our specialty.
Yeah.
It's like our specialty.
Basically,
Like,
just
us
like
three together,
eating.
we just eat like junk food.
KFC edition.
Woo. Look, can I have a fry?
Ew, I didn't like that. I don't know what I just bit, but I didn't like it.
Comment below, all our fans. That means you, Claire. What do you like better, KFC or Popeyes?
Or
I'll think about it.
Long John Silver.
We can't forget about that.
Do you know what I think is underrated?
What?
Boston Market.
Never been there.
Pretty banging. We might have to take you there one day.
It's so good.
It's basically just like Thanksgiving foods.
Mhm.
I really like the caramel apples from there.
And he's straight from California, and I'm gonna ask me.
Yeah, that's my favorite part. Did it get to that part yet?
Mine too.
It's coming up.
Mhm. Green on me. She's straight from California.
I think it's really weird that Nash Grier is having a kid.
I know.
I feel like
Him
he's
and
white.
his girlfriend are so weird.
I think she's so negative. Like
She is!
he's always trying to be cute with her and stuff, and she's like,
And
you
she's
don't know
like-
what it's like. You know, like obviously he doesn't know.
Dude,
what it's
I
like.
said that
So
last
he's trying
time.
to be like supportive. Like let him be supportive with you.
He said we're pregnant.
And she was like,
She was like,
I'm
I'm pregnant.
Like-
You're not. She's like,
he's
do
like
you?
all excited that he's having a kid and stuff. Like just let him like be.
Do you think they're gonna last?
No. Well,
I feel like they're
I
two
don't.
hippies.
I don't see them like breaking.
I-
up.
exactly, I feel like they're
I
two,
think
like-
he like really loves her, and then like she like.
It's just like that.
Like yeah, like I don't think she's using him, but like I think she's like used to that lifestyle like now.
Bro,
What's that?
Tomato.
it tastes disgusting, and I'm pretty sure it's rotten.
It's just the top.
Yeah, I think.
Are you sure? It
Yeah.
tastes so bad,
You need
though.
to stop like
There's really-
I never really want to live alone.
Me neither.
Me neither.
College roommate, whatever, and then probably get an apartment with like 3 other girls, then maybe one with like a boyfriend, and then like
Marry him.
get married, and that's it.
Have a kid.
And then
You got
get
a full
divorced. And then get divorced and then move back in with your mom.
Yeah, but you got your kids with you still.
Yeah, exactly.
Like 3 days a week, so
Exactly.
gotta get a break.
I feel like the only reason that, like I feel like the only reason that like parents get divorced is because like one of them like has a new girlfriend or some shit like that, or a new boyfriend.
Yeah.
Ready?
Maybe you should like get in the middle.
I like the middle seat. I don't know why
Yeah.
everyone shits on it.
Oh, it's so cool that my tripod's still not falling.
It's definitely gonna fall soon.
Oh, definitely. It still hasn't fallen. I don't think it's gonna fall.
Make it
honestly.
like
curve a little bit
yeah.
so it stays.
Yeah.
Oh my god. And
Just like
why was he riding his bike like a monkey?
Biscuit, 10 out of 10.
Actually,
biscuits always 10 out of 10.
Alright, so I forgot to film an outro while I was still in the car. So bye guys, subscribe, watch my last video. It'll be somewhere in this area, in the corner. And I love you guys, and see you next time.